Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel or for this vlog for today. Today is Saturday and time check, it's already 5:05. So meron tayong dalawang klase ng incentive today. We'll put it on your screen para makita nyo. So maganda yung incentive today, no? Isang isang order, tapos isang by 6 and by 3. So medyo madali lang until 9 PM. So we'll try to complete them before 9 and we'll see how much we can earn today. So since wala pang pumapasok and 5:05 na, we'll just go to the hotspot place. Okay, medyo cloudy, sana hindi magtuloy yung ulan, no?
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. Shake it to the max. Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love.
Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Bad man, she love. Bad man, she love. Yeah. Your pussy fat inna your shot.
Oh, you dealing with the boss?
Yeah. Make you come first, coulda never take a last. Yeah. Like a ball pump up the pussy fast. Skin out the pussy for me fuck it. Girl, you make it cocky brad. Original girl, some of them are the knockoff.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Caribbean girl, me know for tick, me know for top. Yeah, man, I watch my body like say them I watch a match. Yeah, anything him say them girl, I do it like it's tax. But make my own money like the girls in movie trap. Classy, real bad girl, me get nasty. I do whatever I want just because I'm bossy. Yes, I'm the one in charge. Never get my pums and him still fall in love. Yes, I know anybody can touch this. Baby, I am not a hoe. Rice and peas, body hotter than jollof. I feel beg a taste anyway, you see my pass.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
Don't got to fear, number one in command. I came just to kill me, ain't too militant. They won't figure eights, but I don't need a man. Still they love how me whine, they make true religion. You dealing with the body, of course. Oh, you dealing with the boss. If we break up, yeah, you know that it's a loss. Upgraded every dude I ever tossed. Said he want me back, he can't touch this. Baby, I already leveled up. You looking for love, and I'm looking for your love. Baby, you can handle all these sauce.
And if you hear this and then go and bend your back, go and bend your knees, baby, shake it to the max. Will the DJ please turn up the bass to the max? Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max. 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 Please just rewind, let me shake it to the max.
So guys, time check, it's 8:31. So patapos na tayo dun sa una nating quest, no, yung 6 and 3 and 3. So dala na natin yung last order and i-drop off na natin. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung na-earn natin up to this order or completion of quest. So may isa pang quest yung every 1 and every 2 deliveries. So yung quest na yon starting from today, Friday, until Sunday ng 10 PM. So pag nakompleto na natin siya, automatically ma-remove na siya, no? Hindi siya tuloy-tuloy. So ayun, wrap up na natin to. Let's go. Alright, so tapos na tayo sa last drop off. So let's wait na pumasok yung incentive. Last one is additional $19. So yan, makikita nyo yung tatlo na kompleto na natin. So ito siya, so $69. Nakompleto na natin yan. Tapos mayroon pa tayong ongoing, no? So marami na tayo natapos. Per orders like additional $5. So meron pa tayong natitirang 2 more trips for additional $10, which is really good. So time checks 8:36. We already have $273. So we're earning like more than $50 per hour right now dahil sa incentive, no? So since maaga pa, pwede pa tayong tumuloy. We'll find more orders on the way, and update ko na lang kayo bago mag-end yung video, no, kung magkano makikita natin. So let's see. Let's go. So guys, just a quick update. Nagpagas lang muna tayo. Wait. It's already 10:42 in the evening. So nagpagas lang tayo kasi lumapat na sa empty yung ating fuel. And buti na lang kapitbahay lang natin yung gas station. So let's just park here. Okay, so just a quick recap of what we did tonight, or total travels natin for today. Kinita natin is $340.45. 18 trips. So let's see. It includes the promotion or incentive, no? So yung ginawa natin kanina. So 201 yung fare or yung binayad ng Uber sa atin, and then the promotion is $139. So nakompleto na natin yung promotion ng from Friday to Sunday, and of course yung para sa araw na to. Unfortunately wala tong tips, pero okay lang. And ang ating weekly running, okay, ang ating weekly running is 1,000. So meron pa tayong 2 days na may hit. Siguro may hit natin yung 1,500 per week. So okay rin. Kung $340 and we work from 5 in the afternoon, ngayon quarter to 11 na, so total of 6 hours. So yung hourly rate natin is somewhere around $60, which is very good for today. So yun lang. So okay na okay yung hourly rate, and the total kilometers that we traveled is around 103 kilometers. So hindi masyadong na laspag or gamit na gamit yung ating sasakyan, no? May iksing travel lang yung ating nagawa. And nagpa-fuel tayo, cost around $63. Full tank na yun, from empty to full tank. So naglalast yun between 4 to 5 days. So mga per day natin na consume is around $15 to $20 maximum, no? So yun yung hourly rate natin, yung ginagawa natin Uber is from 5 till 10 or 11 maximum. So with that kind of rate, I think okay siya, no? Medyo hindi na masyadong stressful, hindi masyadong nakakapagod. Mape-pressure ko lang ng konti dahil sa incentive, dahil may time siya, pero goods pa rin. So for tonight, all goods in the hood tayo. Sa mga nakasubscribe and sa mga friends namin, shoutout sa inyo, sa lahat sa inyo. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ganitong video, please do like, share, subscribe. We will keep you posted for upcoming videos. And yun, please share, and thank you very much for your support. Have a good night.